Jesús Valdés Rodriguez, best known as Chucho Valdés, the artist in residence for the 2022 Detroit Jazz Festival. Chucho, welcome back to Detroit, and please give us your thoughts on the Detroit-Havana connection.
En primer lugar,
First of all, I'm very happy to be again here in this festival.
festival.
In my opinion, it's one of the most important festivals in the world of jazz.
He tenido la suerte, ya dije, de tocar varias veces antes.
I've been lucky enough to play before, but this time,
En Residency.
as an artist in residence, it's really a huge honor for me.
Voy a poder presentar,
I will be able to present a lot of projects that I've been working on.
sobre todo el primer.
First of all, the one called The Creation. It's a suite in 3 parts. And it describes the influences of the African music in the Caribbean, in the United States, in Africa, and everything else.
Ese es el primer proyecto que voy a
The second one is Duet,
con Diane,
with Diane Reeves, one of my favorite singers,
y Joe Lubano,
Joe Lubano,
que es uno de mis grandes.
one of my greatest favorites,
El tercero va a ser con
and the third one is going to be with the Super Quartets. It's my understanding that it's an excellent relation between the festival between Havana and Detroit.
Gracias. Tell me, and DPTV, what it means to be communicating through music internationally.
La música.
Music is the universal language.
Y los músicos.
And all musicians that in this moment we are talking about jazz, we are a big family.
Festival es un lugar.
The festival is the place to meet.
Es como.
It's like our home in this moment.
Y cambiamos
And we exchange knowledge and when we play together.
Para mí
It's a wonderful thing for me.
I read the story. You were 3 and you were playing piano by ear, and your beautiful father, Bebo Valdés, heard you. Can you tell the story again about being discovered by your father?
Realmente quien tocaba
Who
piano.
really played the piano at home was Bebo.
Pero yo era un niño de 3 años que siempre estaba mirando lo que él hacía y yo.
And being only 3 years old, I was always looking at him, and I wanted just to be somewhere like him when I just became elder. When he used to get out of the house, he just jumped into the piano and start searching for notes, melodies, and he started to play by ear his first songs. He didn't know anything about it.
Y una mañana que él salió.
One morning he left the house, he left behind some writings. So he had to come back to pick them up.
Entonces él cuenta.
So tell the story that he heard somebody just playing so good music at the piano. And when he opens the door, he saw him playing the piano. But his mom knew about it. Then he complained, why didn't you tell me anything about it? This guy has to be a musician.
Beautiful, beautiful. So, tell us about the relationship of the piano in Cuban music to other instruments, especially the drum.
El piano es un.
Piano is a harmonic instrument, but at the same time, very rhythm.
La batería es un
The
instrumento.
drum is an instrument of rhythm.
No es armónico.
It's not harmonic.
Y
And its parts, they don't give the melody or harmony as the other one.
entonces cuando el piano toca junto con la batería.
When they both play together, the piano just feels resting because the drum is helping the piano. Even though the piano can do everything without the drummer.
But it helps.
Eso ayuda.
Ayuda siempre.
It always helps.
You had a great group with drummers and other instruments, including Paquito de Rivera
Wow.
with Iraquere. Tell us a little bit about the difference that Iraquere made for the world.
Iraquere cambió.
Iraquere changed everything, all the structures.
Pienso que fue la sesión de brass.
I think it was the brass section most important, and the one that plays more influences in all the history of Cuba.
Paquito de Rivera, Arturo Sandoval, Jorge Barona y Carlos Averoff. Esa es la sesión más increíble.
That's the section more incredible that has just go through the Cuban music.
Y los músicos más respetados que
And the
hoy
most respected musician that even today
añadimos.
we add a lot of elements of the jazz to the Afro-Cuban music.
Y también incluimos muchos instrumentos de percusión africana.
And we also introduced so many African percussion instruments that were not used before in the Cuban dance music.
Yeah. La bata.
La bata.
La bata.
Ella sabe.
Yeah. Beautiful.
You know.
drum. Yeah, I do. I do. Jazz Bata Dos. Beautiful recording. And Mirror, Mirror. You have won Grammy Awards for both of these. And I hope people will re-listen to them. What should we listen for in Jazz Bata Dos and Mirror, Mirror with Chick Corea and Ileana Elias?
Primero en Yabata,
First of all, in Jabata, the language is totally different. The vocabulary is totally different to what he has made before.
estamos,
We are speaking in Yoruba language.
y el piano yo lo
And the piano, I used it just, apart from the harmony, as a percussion instrument. I was playing with the drums,
y entonces es un lenguaje.
and it's totally different language.
Ahora el espejo,
Mirror, Mirror is one of the most beautiful experiences in all my life.
porque yo
Because I adore Eliana Elias.
la música de Brasil
Brazilian music is incredible. But she also managed just to deal with the Afro-Cuban music, all the languages.
y Chick Corea,
And Chick Corea, who by the way is one of my heroes,
imagínate,
he also manages everything.
yo me sentí muy cómodo
I felt very comfortable in that language among us.
La Creación, you explained it. Give us some of your other dreams and jazz hopes for the world.
ya lo estoy trabajando.
I'm working on it.
Estoy trabajando ahora
I'm working on the vocabulary and language, Cuban, Afro-Cuban jazz,
pero con otra forma de
but with another way of expression.
y con un sentido.
And with a harmonic feeling totally different to the one that we have done so far.
Yo creo que puede.
I think it could be something different to everything that we have done before.
Good. Bueno.
Buenísimo.
Muy bueno. Oh, Chucho, gracias. Thank you.
You can find more at onedetroitpbs.org or subscribe to our social media channels and sign up for our One Detroit newsletter.